Recording. Dear students, how are you?
I am fine.
I am also fine. Welcome to our online class. Dear students of class 9.
This one.
Look at the blackboard. Look at the board.
Moving join moving acid. और शाजीब
एक तोरे देखते हैं सितुर मुख ढाएगा
الشرطة أو سلطة
আসসালামু আলাইকুম।
Dear learners, there are 4 questions on the board. Do you see? The first question is, which country is often known as the Pearl of Indian Ocean? What is the answer of that question? This country is often known as the Pearl of the Indian Ocean. The second question, which country is the world's largest tea exporter? Can you tell? Third question, which country was mentioned in the great Indian epic, the Ramayana? Can you tell?
Brahman sir
And the last and fourth question, which country has the highest literacy rate in Southeast Asia? No answer. Okay. Which country is often known as the part of the Indian Ocean? This is obviously country is the world's largest tea exporter? This is Sri Lanka. Third question, which country was mentioned in the great Indian epic, the Ramayana? This is also Sri Lanka. And the last and fourth question, which country has the highest literacy rate in Southeast Asia? This is also Sri Lanka. All the questions answers are the same. This is Sri Lanka. So today our lesson's title is Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka.
Vaishya
Sri Lanka is part of the Indian Ocean. This is Unit 6 and Lesson 2.
Oh, there's Shah.
Unit 6. Unit 6, Lesson 2. Everybody take your English for today book. Unit 6, Lesson 2. Sri Lanka, the pearl of the Indian Ocean. The question. Dear learners, you should maintain your dress code. That means you put on your school dress. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
The pearl. What do you mean by pearl? What is pearl? What is pearl?
I don't know, sir.
Do you know what is pearl?
No, sir.
Pearl is a precious metal which we use as an ornament. Pearl. That Bengali name is mukta, which is
What,
derived
sir?
from the oyster. Pearl,
Okay, sir.
which is derived from oyster. It is precious metal, pearl. What is ocean?
Bengali name, sir.
What is ocean?
Sir, Pearl Bengali name.
Mukta. One kind of precious metal
Okay, sir.
which is used by our women folk, our mothers, sisters,
Okay, sir.
use it as an ornament. Pearl.
Yes, sir. Yes.
What is ocean? What is ocean?
No question, sir.
Ocean means the largest water bodies, the largest sea is called ocean. How many oceans in the world?
7 big option.
7 continents. not ocean. There are 5 oceans in the world.
Oh, sorry, sir.
Do you mention the name of the oceans? The Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic or North Ocean, and the South Ocean. There are 5 oceans in the world. 5 oceans.
Okay, sir.
And the third name of the ocean, Indian Ocean. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
So, dear learners, today our lesson Sri Lanka, the part of the Indian Ocean. It is like a part of the Indian Ocean, and it has another name. Serendy.
What, sir?
Teardrop of India. Sri Lanka has another name, Serendy. The teardrop of India. It looks like a teardrop of India. And that another name, Ceylon and Serendip. Okay.
Hi, Frey.
মাথা গেছে
Rohan.
লাইভে এসছিস নাকি মুবিন?
Rohan. Hello, Rohan bin Nasir. Hello.
Do you hear the name? Ayuban?
Yes, sir.
Fellowship Shazid.
Yes, sir.
Do you hear the name? Ayuban?
We don't
This
know.
word is used in England inhabitants. When any visitors or traveler comes to Sri Lanka, the Sri Lankan inhabitants use the word. The first when they introduce, they use the word Ayuban. That means may you live long. Ayuban means may you live long.
live
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, dear students, I read out the text.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
There are 5 parts of the text, 5 parts. The first part, that means part A. Anyone visiting Sri Lanka may often hear the word Ayuban. That word. This word means may you have the gift of long life. It is with this traditional greeting that everyone is welcome to Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is variously known as Serendip, Ceylon, teardrop of India, pearl of the Indian Ocean,
Ocean.
etc. These names reveal the richness and beauty of this island nation. These names reveal the richness of their cultural activities and their traditional activities. Many travelers from ancient mariners and merchants to present tourists have been attracted by the beauty of this island. That means this is a beautiful land. Part 2. Rohan bin Nasir.
Yes,
Can you
sir.
read? Have you any book? Textbook. Okay. Can you read part 2? Rohan bin Nasir.
Yes, sir.
Can you read part 2? That means part B.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sri Lanka is located in the Indian Ocean, just off the southeastern coast of India, shaped like a teardrop. The island of Sri Lanka measures about 415 kilometers from north to south and about 220 kilometers from east to west, with a total land area of about 65,600 square kilometers. It has more than 1,340 kilometers of coastline.
Good. Very good. That means this is the measurement of Sri Lanka and its location.
Is it?
We see in
Yes,
this
sir.
part, it has 65,600 square kilometers land area and coastal area is 1,340 kilometers. And it measures about 415 kilometers from north to east and 220 kilometers from east to west. The third part, Shafiul Islam, Sifatul Islam. Okay, the third part, that means part C. Despite its modest size, Sri Lanka has a population of about 20 million. The population is less than our country. We have about 17 crores and Sri Lanka has 20 million. That means 2 crores of people live in Sri Lanka. And Sri Lanka is a multi-religious, multilingual and multi-racial country. The four
Not like us.
major groups Sinhalese, Sinhalese, the Indian Tamils, the Sri Lankan Tamils, and the fourth group
আজিজ মজা না
the Muls or the Muslims.
মজা না
There are four groups, four major ethnic groups. People live in Sri Lanka. Sinhalese, the Indian Tamils, the Sri Lankan Tamils, and the fourth group, the Muls or the Muslims. And a fifth group, who is named Vedas. This is the original inhabitants of Sri Lanka, the Vedas.
Yes, sir.
The ancient history of Sri Lanka is depicted in the Hindu epic, the Ramayana. That means Ramayana. But the most important word on Lankan origin is related in Mahabharata or the Great Chronicle. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Part 4. That means part D. Ismail Hussain.
Yes, sir.
Can you read the part D? Sri Lankan agriculture. Okay, that time is short. Sri Lanka's economy has traditionally based on agriculture. The emphasis is on exporting crops such as tea, rubber, and coconuts. In fact, Sri Lanka is the largest tea exporter of the world, which I mentioned in the first part of our lesson. Question now 2. The country is also a major producer and supplier of a variety of spices such as cinnamon, cardamom, pepper, cloves, and nutmegs. All are spices. Cinnamon first originated in Sri Lanka and was introduced later to the world by the Arab merchants. The last part, that means part E. Sri Lanka's archaeological treasures. Okay. Sri Lanka's archaeological treasures may be compared to other civilizations of the past, like the Golden Age of Greece, the Roman Empire, and Maya citadels. The culture that followed those glorious past has been enriched by the more recent influences of Western colonizers and Eastern traders that resulted in developing a unique mix of races and religions, art and craft, festivals, and costumes in this small country. Okay. Right here. Homework.
রুহান ভালো রুহান ভালো
At the homework.
Hello.
ভালো
Hello.
সাজিদ ভালো
Make noise.
Hello.
Wow.
Who looks like that?
স্বচ্ছ
At the homework. Make 15 sentences about the best tourist places in Sri Lanka. Write at least 15 sentences. Okay. Thank you, everybody.
No,
Join
sir.
with us. See you the next
Wait,
class.
wait.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম
Walaikum assalam.
স্যার আসসালামু আলাইকুম স্যার
Wait.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম স্যার ভালো থেকে স্যার
Bye, sir.
রুহান
Yes.